Hello everybody, welcome to astraeakeva. I am Ao. In today's video, I will be drawing day number 147 of my 365 days of art. So in today's drawing, I ventured outside of my comfort zone and drew more mid-body figures. I've been drawing portrait art for so many years, so going into mid-body figures is intimidating for me, but I decided to go for it, and I will probably be painting it sometime soon, this coming week or something like that. So I have a lot of painting to do but it's been fun, and yeah, it's been a great journey. Thank you for everybody that has been asking me questions, DMing me about the records and all of that. I also uploaded some templates on my Patreon for my gesture drawing study with me sessions. So yeah, that is all for today's video. I just want to encourage everybody that even if you're not doing any challenges or anything like that, if you wish to improve in your art, please don't give up. Especially if you feel as though it's not coming out the way that you want it to, just keep going and keep experimenting. It's probably the best way I can say it. But yeah, this is sort of, I'm slowly moving towards the type of artwork that I've always wanted to create. So I feel more encouraged, and I just want to encourage other people as well. Please don't give up. Please don't think that you will never improve in your art, or the way that you draw is never going to improve, because it will. Art is much like a skill. I understand a lot of people talk a great deal about talent. I think talent is there, but I also believe that skills are a valuable part of being an artist, and much like how you build on your experiences in any normal non-artist job, the same thing can be said about artwork. You're building skills, and you get to apply those skills in various types of situations and artworks. So please don't give up. Please don't feel as though you're not good enough. I recently got a DM from one of my Patreons who said that she doesn't feel as though she's gonna improve. But every time I look at my journey, in the beginning I did think it will never improve. I thought I will forever be in the same situation, the same place, but with a lot of hard work and practice and actually learning from my mistakes, I think that's the number one thing. Learning from my mistakes has really helped me improve in my art. So please don't give up on that. That's pretty much all I can say. Keep drawing, draw things that mean a lot to you. So for example, I draw a lot of human figures and human characters because I like drawing people, and so that's kind of why I'm studying gesture. I want to draw more people in various scenarios. I want to create a webcomic in the future. So all of these things kind of propel me and push me to continue to study and improve on myself as a person and also as an artist. So yeah, that's pretty much all I can say in today's video. I will upload a new record soon, so please look forward to that. And I'm also thinking of doing some painting studies as well. I've uploaded a few tutorials on Patreon, how to draw hair, basic understanding of the human body concepts, and also, what else? What was the other one? I'll upload my eye drawing tutorial as well. So that will be up on my Patreon quite soon. So there are a few things also on my tier 2. I uploaded a few other documents as well, and tier 3 I will probably upload my first tier 3 content this coming week, which is not safe for work. So yeah, hopefully I will upload most of my not safe for work content on Twitter rather than on Instagram, because Instagram has its rules and I don't want to get banned or something like that, or reported by someone. There are people who just report for the sake of reporting. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Feel free to comment, share your thoughts with me. What do you guys think? Also about your own artistic journey and your own advice. If there's any advice you've heard from someone that really helped you, I would really like to hear from you. And feel free to share this video with someone you know who might be an artist. What else? Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Yay, let us move on and grow this channel. So thank you so much everybody for watching. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Bye bye.